Okay, everyone loves a good secret, right? There's something thrilling about the unknown, the hidden stories that lie just beneath the surface. Like, remember that time Toby got that mysterious package, and everyone in the office was convinced he was a secret agent? The buzz, the speculation. It was like living in a spy movie for a day. Turns out it was just a new stationery order. Bummer. The excitement fizzled out faster than a deflating balloon. But in the world of tech, some secrets are the real deal. We're talking about the kind of secrets that can change the game, revolutionize industries, and even alter the course of our daily lives. Engineers, those brilliant minds behind our favorite gadgets and gizmos, sometimes have access to tools the rest of us can only dream of. They work in environments where innovation is the norm, and breakthroughs are just another day at the office. Think of it like this. You know those super exclusive clubs with a velvet rope and a bouncer who looks like he only eats protein shakes? Well, the tech world has its own version of that. That's what we're dealing with here. But instead of a VIP lounge, it's a super secret AI tool. A tool so advanced, it feels like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. And let me tell you, this ain't no ordinary app you can just download from the App Store. It's a glimpse into the future, a peek behind the curtain of what's to come. Before we dive into this clandestine tool, let's talk about AI. You know, artificial intelligence. It's not just some futuristic fantasy anymore. It's here, and it's changing the game in a big way. Imagine a computer program that can learn and adapt like a human brain, but way faster. That's AI in a nutshell. It's like having a super smart sidekick who can crunch numbers, analyze data, and even predict the future. Okay, maybe not the future, but you get the idea. Now, where were we? Ah yes, the secret AI tool. Engineers have been secretly using this AI tool, let's call it Enchantress, to make their lives easier and their projects even more awesome. So what can this Enchantress do? Well, imagine this. You're an engineer designing a bridge. You input all the specifications, materials, and even the weather conditions into Enchantress. Boom. Enchantress analyzes everything in a flash and tells you the optimal design, the strongest materials, and even warns you about potential weaknesses. It's like having a super-powered engineering consultant available 24/7. Pretty neat, huh? Section 4. Why keep it hush-hush? The perks and the paranoia. So why all the secrecy? Why do engineers often keep their groundbreaking projects under wraps? Why not shout about Enchantress from the rooftops? Why not share their excitement with the world?